Hello there. This is Li-Lan Hsiang Weiss, licensed acupuncturist, abdominal Mayan massage therapist, and steward of the Integrative Health Center Armonia Health in Durham, North Carolina. I have created a webinar series called Embodying Yin in Action, where we present spiritual luminaries or goddesses that I personally have embodied in the last 15 years. But also, further than that. And I want to thank the Abdominal Therapy Collective, the Arvigo Therapy, the Spirit Meetup Group. Thank you for attending our talk with Alex Jackson, my colleague of the Maya Abdominal Massage, for our Ix-Chel Maya Goddess for Our Times presentation. Zoom was not working for certain people, so we are making available this webinar for you to watch at your own time. For those of you that are familiar with Ix-Chel already, you can fast forward to the juicy parts of the discussion with Alex and I. And also welcome those of you who are new to Ix-Chel, a Maya goddess that Alex has coined very relatable, adaptable, and accessible. And so the impetus of presenting Ix-Chel with my colleague Alex Jackson in part was spurred by my own spiritual journey the last few years of healing the masculine side inside me. And I have been chosen to and asked to facilitate these presentations of the spiritual luminaries with my male colleagues and friends. And so Alex Jackson and I met 10 years ago when he came to Durham, North Carolina to teach the Arvigo self-care class to the community here. And so we have had several conversations in the last few months about what Ix-Chel and the moon cycles represent for us and how we embody her. And for all of this, we'd like to give thanks to our main teacher, Dr. Rosita Arvigo, who presented Ix-Chel to us. And I have been sitting in embodiment and meditation with Ix-Chel since 2009 officially, and Alex since 2003. And what this presentation, I think, is planting a seed of both the dismantling of stereotypes of women and men, or female and male, as far as relationships to the divine. And at the same time, it was a co-creation of the possibility of various perspectives, the perspective of yin and yang embodied in both our gender, but also just as unique persons. And so the juicy part of our conversation is when we present our own personal embodied views as practiced in our bodies and in our everyday life. And it both becomes a sacred experience for us as well for those of you that relate to that experience, as well as a beautiful introduction of Ix-Chel and how her triptych representation surpasses the traditional symbolisms of her, and then her symbolisms of nature and how that has become also very ingrained in our everyday lives. So we invite you to watch the video, and we will let you know. We are preparing another Zoom meeting so we can all get together and say hi and provide feedback and share about the discussion that we'd love to get together with you virtually. So we will let you know of a date that Alex and I and Emily Jackson, who helped us with the PowerPoint, will be available on Zoom. So enjoy and continue on your beautiful path. Bye.